ERC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
Hi, this is the Weather Xtreme video for Saturday, April the 5th. I'm meteorologist Brian Peters coming to you from the 7th Annual Southeast Severe Storm Symposium over in Starkville, Mississippi at Mississippi State University. And let's get right to the weather. The rain is ending as we look at the southeast component of the radar, the southeastern United States view, kind of a composite here. And definitely the rain is ending, and we've had quite a bit of rain across the area. As a matter of fact, rainfall totals have been pretty high, especially to the south of Birmingham, as you can see from the rainfall total map, with amounts on the order of possibly as much as 4 to 5 inches in areas down in the vicinity of Montgomery and off to the west of Montgomery. The big factor, of course, is that we do have a frontal system lying across the area that will be advancing eastward today. And at the 500 millibar level, we have a rather sharp-looking and shortwave trough moving through the flow. Fortunately, central Alabama should be clearing up today. Temperatures a little bit chillier across the central part of the country, as we see a good deal of 30s there. We won't be getting quite that cold down here. As a matter of fact, temperatures this morning generally in the 50s, with the rain, as I said, ending. Now, QPF-wise, unfortunately, this is a bit contaminated because actually it begins at 7 p.m. last night, so it includes some of the rainfall overnight, and I think most of this will fall with this system, and we're not going to see a lot of rain over the next 4 to 5 days. Severe weather-wise, the SPC has an area along the southeast Atlantic coast and across northern Florida outlook for severe today. That shifts off on day 3, shifts back to the west across Oklahoma, Kansas, a little bit of Texas and Missouri. And then on days 4 and day 5, the emphasis continues to be across the Central Plains area. All right, let's get to the 06Z GFS model run. Here's the 500 millibar pattern for midday, and you can see that shortwave trough moving across the Mississippi-Alabama line, and with it, the weather should be ending. Remember, this is the precipitation ending at this time, so the rain should be ending by this afternoon. Surface map for tomorrow shows us clearing out, and indeed it looks like we're going to stay that way through the first of the coming week. The new trough is coming across the Central Plains a little further north, and that should create a surface low over in the vicinity of Iowa, moving up towards Chicago. By Wednesday, that system is up over the northern Great Lakes, but a new one is plunging in across the southern Rockies, and that should create another surface low in the lee of the Rockies over to Mexico and West Texas. That system promises to bring us the next really good chance of rain by the end of the week. You see here a surface low over Missouri. We'll be traveling northeastward on Thursday. The trough sharpens up very, very nicely, and this once again has a bit of a severe weather look to it. And then by Friday, that looks like it may be bringing a squall line through our area as the surface low heads up to the Great Lakes, but we clear out by next Saturday. We appreciate you tuning in to the Weather Xtreme video from ABC 3340. I'm meteorologist Brian Peters. Hope that you have a great weekend.